Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We are at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video review that you're about to watch is a segment of a longer stream that we did. So it's not going to be as detailed as our normal long form content, but we hope you enjoy. So we're now going to look at the 45E. Okay, we're not going to cover the outside because the outside is basically the same except for the paint scheme. So we got a different paint scheme on this particular one, which is, they're both beautiful. It's so hard to pick. It really is.
See if there's anybody in here.
Oh, we're going to go in there. We'll work around. We're pretty functional people here.
2 people in there, so you guys are
Okay. All right. So let's go on in here. Again, this is built on the same Freightliner chassis, so we're not going to spend too much time here in the front.
Gotcha.
All right, so there's
okay,
no
thank
power,
you.
so we're not going to have lights.
Thank you.
We'll use our cell phone for lights. So this is sort of a similar setup on this side of the coach, where you've got your 2 theater chairs and sort of your bar-style dinette, okay? And again, you can see the price point on this, a little bit higher. So we're looking just a little over $1 million, almost 1 million, I think it says 1,086,000, okay? But over on this side, you got an island. Let me go to the front and look back, Lisa.
All right.
So there you go. Look at that. This one's got an island.
Yes. And so the cooktop is actually, the induction cook is actually right here.
You're in the center island.
Yes.
Well, that's neat.
Yes. So I guess this would be the vent
venting
there.
for it,
Yes.
yeah, or down vents.
Yes. Now they've got the wine cooler right here.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay.
Nice.
So we have that. We have some little storage
And again,
shelves there.
That would be for your wines that don't need cooling.
Right.
Right.
Let's see, what else do we have?
You've got your dishwasher over there.
I believe that's what that is.
Yep. What's great is it's everything's finished, so you don't even know that it's there, right?
Right. Exactly. Here we have our nice big microwave.
Yep,
Look
Samsung
at
again.
this big sink.
God, that is huge.
Yes.
That's,
and you have
that's like a doggy bathtub. A little dog. I don't think we could put Harley in there, but you know.
No, well, maybe. Yeah.
We have a black lab, for those who don't know. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Day 2 here at the Florida RV Super Show, Tampa RV Show. Oh, that's okay. And we've got our nice Samsung. I think this one's sort of a smart refrigerator. It's got the little screen on there.
Oh, very nice.
So, it tells you when it's time to get, food.
And I'm going to see if I can figure out how to turn my flashlight on here so we can see in the back.
Now, just like the other, it's a separate design, but I love the detail here. Right?
All right.
Before you go into the back area. And we just missed this cabinet here. And so this doesn't have the wine cooler in there. It has 2 pull-out drawers down there in the bottom.
Right. The wine cooler is over here in the island.
Does this open? Or did they cheat? Nope, that doesn't open. Okay.
No. All right, so let's get some light going on in here.
He's moving his hands.
So the question is,
yes.
if the slide's in that island,
yes.
Can you get back here?
Okay, so let's figure that out. The edge of the slide, it's about, let's call that 11 inches to 12 inches. Oh, actually, you know what?
You've got a tape measure, don't you? No, it's on the backpack.
And so that's good. So let's go to the back.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So this is the same bathroom as the other one. What's neat, and I didn't mention it in the other one, there's an emergency exit right there.
There sure is.
So you don't have to go, if there's a problem and you need to get out, if you're in the back, you don't have to go all the way to the front. Okay? And those little shelves that you see there, they double as steps or stairs, like a ladder. Okay?
Yep.
So that's neat. Okay, on this side is the vanity. Again, everything's the same, it's just the decor is different. Okay, and we're sorry that there's no lights on in here, but we want to cover this stuff for you, so we'll just use our flashlight on the phone.
Right.
Okay, everything else back here is exactly the same, just the decor is different.
Yes.
Okay, same size bed, your cabinetry over here, again, different looking cabinetry, but your cabinetry's in front with your mirrors and your
tall wardrobes, and then your cubbies.
And then when you get back here to the bathroom, exactly the same. Your washer dryers right here.
Yeah.
And then nice big 2-person shower on the other side. It's all identical. Okay.
Very nice.
All right. So that's the second model that we looked at here for you guys this morning. So let's keep on going.